PMT is
Precision machining technology.
removing material to make things.
We make bigger parts smaller.
Down to the thousandth of an inch.
They can make parts that are going to aerospace.
Automotive to medical instruments.
NASA, military, it changes every day.
Our 2-year degree program is designed so that when they leave here, they can set up machines.
There's a lot of options here.
They can be quality control where they're doing inspection. Our program transfers the 60 credits towards a bachelor's degree.
The professors are very good.
They really do a nice job putting the whole production together.
The college put big money into the CNC equipment.
Everything was super clean and neat.
Tuition is very affordable.
It's going to be awesome not have to worry about student loans.
Our job placement is 95 to 100%.
To kind of staff up on machine shop.
We'll have companies come in and explain that they're looking for work.
There are so many opportunities.
They like to work with their hands. Jobs are out there for machinists.
Couldn't have anything better to say.